and welcome to How To with an Actual Expert. My name is Leonard and I will be your expert today. Today we have the invention of Google, an amazing source to view cat videos. Well, that's pretty much all Google's good for, because this is 1980, isn't it? No? Oh, it's 2020. Haha, I'm in the wrong year. Alrighty, let's get started today. So here we have Google. At first you can see it's very simple Google. You have the logo in the center. Below that you have your search bar. In the right corner you have access to your Gmail, Google Images. A variety of other products provide you for free straight from Google. And the ability to manage your Google account, add another Google account, and sign out of your Google account. But why would you want to do that? Because Google is awesome. Alright, so today we're going to start with Google Drive. We are going to do the very basics of Google Drive. Once you have Google Drive opened up and loaded, you're going to come here to the left hand side and see that there's a variety of options. Below Drive you have New, My Drive, Shared with Me, Recent, Starred, Trash, Backups, and Storage. So what we want to do first is at the very top you see New. Click New, and then you have the ability to create a new folder, upload a file, upload a folder, create a new Google Doc, create a new Google Sheet, and create a new Google Slide. And here under More, you can create a new Google Form, a new Google Drawing, Google My Maps, a new Google Site, and a new Google Jamboard. But today we're just going to create one of each and just see how each of them look. Just click Create a new Google Doc. It will create a new tab in your Google window. And once it loads, you'll see very basic. Type in it just like Word. Very simple and a very helpful thing to do. In the upper left corner, give it a name. Test the World. We're going to go back by clicking on the tabs in the upper left hand corner by clicking back to My Drive. You're going to come back here, click New, and click Google Sheet this time. This time it'll create a Google Sheet, which is similar to a Microsoft spreadsheet or Microsoft Excel sheet. Works exactly the same way, but way better. Once it stops working, then we're gonna get into it more. Just give it, okay, there you go. Simple, just throw some numbers in here and there. I don't know what you guys use your Google Sheets for, but I like keeping random numbers in mine because it looks super organized, way better than anything I could imagine. Again, we're going to name it Test the World with Numbers. Okay. And then we're going to go back to My Drive, click New again, and create a new Google Slide. Very, very simple. Once it loads, just give it a minute. On the right hand side, you're going to pick a different theme. Pick a theme, any theme. A theme, what looks pretty. I like this purple and white. Very simple, very pretty. Title it Test the World with Slides. Upper left hand, we're gonna name it. Oh, automatically fills in with the main title. How convenient. Test the world with slides. We're gonna Google back to Drive. Now, there's one key thing you guys may have not seen me do. You may be asking yourselves, well, Leonard, what about saving? Not a problem, people. Great question, but it's not a problem anymore. Let's go back to that Google Doc. As you can see on the right hand side of Help, all changes saved in Drive. What Google has done is given the program the ability to automatically save whatever you type, whatever you edit, anything. All of that's auto-saved, just like a video game at auto-save checkpoints. These are key things that help us all, so you no longer have to worry about, oh no, I just had a power outage. My 3-page essay due for AP World History was due tomorrow. What am I gonna do? That's not a problem. With autosave, you don't have to worry about it. It'll be automatically saved to your Google account, and you can even continue working on it on your phone. It'll be very simple, easy to access. Don't have Wi-Fi? Wait until school the next day. Continue working on it before class because you have a backup of what you were last working on. What you can also do, say you screwed up, like, oh, I don't like this. Let's say, live in the great wide world. Well, you see, this sounds okay, but I liked what I had before. So what I'm gonna do is on the top, click all changes saved to Drive, give it a second, and it'll give you a version history. You can see my current document, but if you look on the left hand side, it'll say today, or whatever, January 24th, 5:41 p.m. Current version. January 24th, 5:36 p.m. Just a few minutes earlier. And you'll see, for once Google has let me down. Okay, let's try this again. That was not intentional. I don't like that. Live in the test world of greatness. I don't like that. We're gonna wait for it to save. All changes saved. Okay. So, this is one case that I was not expecting, but normally what you would see is what you previously typed below. But granted, it doesn't want to show up. So, you would see previous versions, say you were working on a Google slide, you deleted the slide, you'll be able to go back to your version history and reclaim that slide. But don't worry, we all know you can always use the back button, our greatest friend, undo everything you did, and go back to the beginning. Hello world. And with that, I conclude today's workshop of creating a Google Doc, creating a Google Slide, creating a Google Sheet, and exploring autosave. Thank you for joining us today on How To with an Actual Expert. My name is Leonard, and it will always be Leonard. Thank you, and have a good night. See you later.